But
You wanna pick garage? Where is the bomb bomb?
I smoke. Oh yeah, actually, I mean, yeah, use
No,
a flash.
don't smoke.
I mean flash. I wanted to see flash.
No, just wait for them to push out. These clowns are gonna do. If they do something stupid, they will
Yes.
commit to it.
Okay,
Why is our ping so much better than them?
they are a whole A long.
My computer said network problem.
One is A long, one is A long. Only one.
Why is the spike dropped?
Cause I spotted it.
Got the spike.
That. If you want pick garage, I can con it.
I think we're going B.
Our Sage is AFK by the way.
Yeah.
Amateur.
Con.
Oh my god, he.
Low, he's low, nice.
Lord, wreck.
Oh shit.
Oh, this guy got frenzy. If you want.
Hey, go B. Go B.
Yeah,
Go B.
okay.
On your left.
I'm taking left fight.
Flashing.
Blinding.
One is
To your right. There's a one on your right.
Reloading.
Right click. Okay, to right click.
One enemy remaining.
Flashing. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hunting?
Oh my god, I choked some.
Hunting for A side.
Planted.
Watching like
Out of charges.
Yeah.
I'm watching A but passive. Where?
here.
Kill everyone.
Nah.
Our job gets a whole lot easier.
Hey!
This is my choke. This
No, I
round is
didn't.
So weird.
Oh yeah. I see. I think if you just continue right clicking, you would have.
Continue to win.
No, but like, I'm afraid. I don't know. Like, you know, like, I don't know. When I play Jonathan, right? I don't know why, but people don't give you the time to right click twice, and it's always damn scary.
Oh yeah.
Like, I always get fucking tapped in the head before.
Hey,
Fucking-
Guardian time.
No armor. These guys are bad. We're better.
Wait, seriously? Dude, you're gonna get aim punch.
What the fuck? You have Guardian? Wow.
Yeah, buy Guardian. Wait, I'm counting Silong.
You think they'll pick that?
I mean, why not?
Shadows traveling.
I'll hold it backside.
Go away.
Corner.
GG. They flash.
No, these they're on.
Reloading.
Our teammates are pretty useless.
Flashing. Wait, one is flanking, confirm.
The guys just give them the round.
Okay, the Guardian is
No.
kinda hard to use.
Like, can I just cannot spam?
Last player standing.
Dude, the timing, seriously? The moment I turn away?
The fucking jet. How did I not hear her? Did any of you hear her dash?
I think. Yeah, I'm not sure.
I think you
Audio
cannot
block?
hear. That's the thing. You cannot hear.
The dash?
Yeah,
No
because
way.
like,
You can.
I mean you
supposed to
can.
hear you,
It's hard.
That sounds like.
I don't.
You wanna try it?
No, okay.
Hey, flash. Try to flash A long with me, and then watch the A shot push.
Breakthrough.
I pick A long with Dick.
Okay. I also have Deke.
Oh,
Oh my god, the siege. Wait, I should go.
who got a
for
bomb?
Lucas.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, then someone should come.
Yeah. Oh,
Wait.
Lucas.
We clapped them
Wait,
together.
Lucas, wait. I'm gonna flash you, okay? 3, 2,
No.
1.
Let me smoke first.
Wait,
Okay.
they smoke me. I count them already.
Reloading.
Hey, one's behind the green
Planting.
box. One's behind green box. One behind green box.
Heaven, I'm low, guys.
When did it?
I am very low. Wait, are they all there?
Yeah, the jet is just camping, so.
Yeah, I know. One Dick.
I don't think you kill her.
Last
Again.
No.
Wait, Kito, did you not see the omen?
I did. I said one behind green box.
Yeah.
But I was flashed.
Wait. Oh, you flash. Okay, fair enough. I was just thinking the plan.
Lucas, next time when you go side, clear side first. Don't need run so fast.
Oh, okay, yeah, true.
Never mind. No, relax. This is casual.
Ah, okay, alright.
I just pre-fire the column and Sage is actually there.
Yeah. It's not when you pre-fire the corner at like shot, right? They already know that we were came. Like we're already coming. They fucking feel it in their bones. I missed the 1D because I'm bad.
Jumping out with you.
Shadows traveling. Shadows.
Watch your left side.
traveling.
You hold there, You hold there.
Hmm?
You hold the garage, huh?
Yeah.
You want a flash? Flashing you.
Oh, what?
Wait, is there someone flanking?
Yeah, left, on top, left. See, you can see it on the
The
left.
timing, man.
Drop already.
Last player standing.
Whoa! How much did I hit you for? 117. Oh. What is this guy doing?
Oh.
Oh,
I was going to say,
Jesus.
imagine if she
His
altered.
crosshair? Oh my. Okay, get one.
Flawless.
I was just gonna say, imagine if she altered and she actually did. I just don't want to say because it's so stupid.
Remember I said our duelist is a silver one? Yeah.
Need a drop.
No, that's not happening. Why would you think that?
You wanna
Is
clap
it the
garage?
buy round? Is it the buy round?
Yeah, it is. Damn.
Keep up.
They have ops.
Reloading.
What she got? Classic. Oh my.
Reloading.
Blocking sight. Enemy spotted.
What's that?
Reloading. Sight.
Someone can see long, Or like a long push.
I'm watching garage. Okay.
No one's carrying that.
Too late.
Yeah, I knew it, dude. Where?
To left.
What the hell?
I'm dead.
You will not kill my allies.
Last player standing.
Dude. These guys are just pushing everywhere. Okay, you know what? Buy SMG.
Wait for them to push,
No, fuck that. Buy SMG, we're gonna rush B. And then rush B, just go in.
Okay.
For real. Let's just try that for one round.
Make sure Omen's not here.
Oh yeah.
I do a ultimate ability.
You flash us in because my flash will flash you, so it's not good.
I get what? Oh, okay.
Cover.
Go.
Shadows.
Too late.
It works.
Damn.
Going to A,
Another Left side.
Going to A, right?
No? We'll
Okay,
see what.
I'm gonna plant. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
okay.
plant. Cover. I'm planting for A.
My ulting.
Planet.
Damn.
I got here. Wait, hold crossfire for me.
Okay.
Nice. Is anyone
Going
there?
to spawn.
Anyone covering my city? Oh, okay.
No, Lucas is.
One enemy remaining.
See, this shit worked. Nice.
Flanking.
Oh, King Spectre.
Flanking.
Their crew got sloppy.
Yeah, that shit
Flanking.
worked. Let's try that again.
Flanking.
Damn.
Flanking.
Yeah, like
Oh
you,
my.
you know what I'm saying? Like Valorant pace is different, so we need to play differently.
Reloading.
Flanking.
Flanking? Who is flanking?
Why not some people push C, then the rest wait A, then I TP into A.
No, that one is too complicated already.
But they're gonna smoke this, it's quite risky. Wall.
Oh, they warded. Okay, alright. Then we try garage to see.
Reloading.
Wait, I'm gonna flash it. Give me a minute.
Okay,
Yes.
go. Got it.
Spikes down.
Right, on top, right, top, right.
Spike.
Sorry.
Your duty is
Come back, come back, come back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Block in sight.
I carry
Even if
A
it's-
flank. I carry A flank. I carry A flank.
Oh, B, 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 B. From B, from B. B, B, B.
Ah shit.
Stay down.
Wait, what? She's heaven. I was spawn. Oh wait.
Last
hell?
player standing.
Do we need faster go to site? If not, you're gonna come to us.
Fuck. That's why. Yeah. You're correct.
Alright.
The Sage should have, right?
Now I
Should,
know
y'all
how
should have just
annoying
pushed
I can
all the
Wait,
way.
let's. I got an idea.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
go see.
Go see.
Right.
SMG.
It's hard to. Okay, wait. Like, we clear the close, right? You know the covey on the
Yeah,
right.
yeah. I'll go first.
Yeah,
I'll go
so it's
first.
really hard to push
I go first.
long because you're like. Yeah.
Wait,
I TP to the back for info.
No. You
no,
smoke.
no need waste out. No need waste.
You smoke
Just-
around here.
there.
You smoke there, right? And then we can push closer, and then someone flash, and then we just go in.
Yeah,
Alright.
okay, I'll flash close.
Yeah.
Not now though.
Cutting.
Oh wow, they have an out. Wait, what's the smoke?
Reloading.
Oh no.
Flash.
Damn, wait, I'm flashing.
Don't flash. Go.
Flash already.
I'm in now.
Barrier created.
Everybody.
I'm going plant.
Enemy.
Flash out.
Careful, the wall fucked up.
Yeah. Come.
From city, from city. Sage
You
from,
wanna come?
Jet
You
from
wanna
city.
come here? You wanna come here? Come, Silong.
Yeah. No,
I
it's not
watching-
planted for y'all though.
I
It's not
watching-
planted for y'all.
Yeah, I know. I would. Silong.
Reloading.
Oh, if we do the duo.
Wait, how many?
Camp.
3v4? Okay, 3v4.
Rest.
Nah, we can afford to do this.
One is garage, right?
Reach the garage spawn.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
City. City.
You wanna push him? I can flash.
Running away, he's running away.
Flashing.
Blinding.
Go. Flashing again.
Flash out.
Nice.
Good play.
I do not believe you're capable of using the opser.
Need a drop.
I take it.
Nope.
That's not happening, bro. Although
Okay.
at 8.5 kill.
Wait. Now we just play like normal. Cause they know us. They know we pushed 2 rounds already. Yeah.
Wait, somebody take the bomb. It's better for your budget.
Yeah. Okay.
Snuff them out. Reloading.
Get out of my way.
Cutting. Spike dropped.
Yeah, he died.
See?
I have the spike.
Can you go down with me?
Yep, I got you.
Yeah.
Wait, let me go first.
Yeah,
I can blind.
Wait. Tell me when you wanna go there. Okay. I can clap from A long.
Left.
Right.
I come here. You.
Nice.
Wait. Hold it first. I gonna hold flank.
The hunt begins.
I holding flank. Wait.
Okay.
Kita don't pick lah kita.
True.
Worthless.
One say shot.
Last player
Oh my god,
standing.
shot.
Outlet arena.
One enemy
Well
remaining.
kill.
Last guy no.
Blinding.
Oh,
Do you know where?
30 seconds
Got the
left.
spike.
not sure. But if he might be shot because he only can flash from there. So
Can
careless.
just for quite a while.
Flash out.
Really? I don't know. I don't play Omen.
Left.
It's not Lucas. I don't know.
One right Left.
Okay. I there's no way I can see him.
Yeah, it's unwinnable. Unless you like lucky headshot.
You know where he's there you can see, right? That's how I saw him on your left.
I can't see him at all. At least on my screen I didn't see him.
The fucking jet. Say seriously, team, nobody buy me.
And then
And after
he
that
died
she
in the
gets
first 5
clapped.
seconds. Yeah.
Yeah. How would you pick C Long with a fucking?
Oh right.
Look at their budget. Literally, they can have 5 ops.
Let's go.
Oh fuck. Okay, but to be fair, last round we got it to like 1v1.
I flashing for a second.
Wait, let me sort this. So you did? No, goodness.
There's a upper top left.
Careful, careful. Breach. Careful, breach. A long. Where the hell is that? Wait.
Flashing.
Sam did.
I
smoke disappeared.
Wait.
Yeah, right.
Last player
Oh
standing.
Jesus. Alright. I'm going for no CT.
Well, did.
Yeah. What the fuck? Why are you camping there?
Yep. There's Velo for you.
They don't have
What's
a
the stage
single
rank?
life worth saving.
I mean, oh, go on. Ah, fucking hell.
Oh,
I'm challenging you along. I'm challenging you along.
A long?
Yeah.
Okay. Tito, you go first. You go
I
short.
gonna flash myself. It's okay. Don't worry. Hey, don't stand in my way. I iconic.
Together. What's this?
Toxic.
Nope. The breach is okay also. Flashing.
Blinding.
Enemy spotted.
I'm holding A long.
Cover going out.
Only holding. Hey, they might rotate. Wait. Hold first.
because I'm flashing. Oh my god!
Hold base. I'll strike it down.
Oh,
Alright,
GG.
he was on top.
I don't know.
Enemy spotted.
Is our Sage good?
Imposter killed.
He's gonna die now.
Last player standing.
Lol.
Ah.
Last
We
round
cannot
before
keep
the
our goods
switch.
After this.
Oh really?
Spend all.
Hey, you guys need anything? If I can buy you a full
No,
rifle.
I can buy Bulldog. You
No,
buy
I
Lucas,
can
you buy
give
Lucas. No, you buy Lucas, you buy
Good,
Lucas.
Oh, okay.
I need this. Thank you.
Yes.
Bruh. Okay, you know what? Don't push. Hold first.
Don't let up.
Here.
Careful along, careful C long.
Here.
Jesus, dude, this guy just white peak.
Go see it now.
Ken, you smoke?
Yeah, so.
Reloading. Blocking sight.
Wait, oh my god.
Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted.
Flashing.
Flash out.
Once a
Eliminated.
Plan, Lucas, one.
Wait, nothing for long.
Okay.
Watch my garage.
Watching. No, Sage is like garage.
Planted.
I hiding C long copy. Yeah, you can
One
there.
enemy remaining.
Last guy Sage
last
has
one was
ulti.
from A, last one also from CT.
A?
Yeah. If I'm better gun on the right.
I smoke for you.
Nah, it's fine.
You will not kill my ally.
Oh, reinforcements
Enemy
incoming.
spotted. Reloading.
Just flash her, fuck it.
Blinding.
Hey, nice start running.
No, last round,
One
we're defusing
enemy
here.
remaining.
Last round, it's okay.
Oh, you died. Oh, first.
It's the
So,
last round.
so do we
Last
get
round.
ammo? Or we don't get ammo. How does it work?
Actually, get ammo is better because if
No,
you get
I say like we're supposed to get free ammo, right?
Yeah, how is that work?
no, we didn't. We
Yeah, we're
didn't.
supposed to, I think.
I remember getting free ammo
Really?
before.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
we're
know,
supposed
but
to
then that one is only like when you lose them barely what? No, eh?
for it, I would say pretty bad. No?
For it, it's only like 1-to-2 ratio. That's not that bad.
Just like
So
half.
it's 6-12.
Alright.
Yeah, it's like the quiz 2 mark. You get 1 mark. It's like it's fine. It's either all or nothing. But like
Oh,
500
yeah.
might get like 250. Like yeah, a lot of
I
chances.
stay here. If I stay here.
Yeah.
It's A, it's A, it's A.
I got 2 flash by the way. Lunas, go see. Oh,
A,
okay,
AD. Going up heaven.
How many A? Info please. Are they outside? Where the hell is that?
Hey. One's
Cannot
mid.
be A. Cannot be A.
One's mid.
I see it. I see.
One's mid.
Flashing.
Nice try.
I think the arena.
Wait.
You doing the Reyna? Nice.
Probably rotating probably.
Hey, careful. Lucas, pull out a gun. There's one mid. There was an Omen mid.
No, I saw 3. I saw 3 here.
One is here.
3 mid.
I saw 3 at A. This one.
Play the 2v. Go to Ifan, go to Faye. Play the 2v2. Later, get separately.
Last player standing.
Like that.
Yes.
Heck.
30 seconds left.
A long and close to you. To your right. Oh, nice. Probably on your right.
Spike planted.
Probably. Reyna got full HP by the way. Oh, that's not a good idea.
Oh, you should smoke close. How?
One enemy remaining.
Oh, nice try.
Nice try.
That was close.
I hear 1 hit shot, 2 body shots.
Wait,
that's from
that's
this
a lot.
Together,
Oh, that's from this one.
we
That's from
will
this.
bury
She
them under their transgressions.
Wait, how much damage did I do? 130, 50, 26, 11. Wait, 11? Wait. I body shot Jet, only 11 damage. What the hell? Wait. Body 22, 26.
All bang.
No, but I'm using classic.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah, wallbang.
Plastic also
Plastic
can.
has high
Any gun
penetration.
can. You really?
Yeah.
Is it fucking B? Oh, they are up already. Damn. Okay, 2 outside B.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe you just come there and just get a kill. Oh no.
Oh.
Enemy spotted.
Yes.
Ah, big
She
crosshair
crouch at
siege.
that distance.
Spike planted.
Oh.
Oh, floaty boy.
Flawless.
Okay, you know what? I feel this Sage. I mean, this Jet.
I'm the last thing they'll see before they die.
How do I say?
Reloading.
Like, I feel she's okay for the aim, but her game sense is literally just negative.
Yeah, she has $0.
No, I mean, that is fine. What? That is fine because we're buying what?
Are we?
Yeah, we're buying. Everyone's buying.
I mean, we're like forced buying.
No, what? Wait, no. Wait, can he? Oh.
Hmm?
No, you got 1.1k left. Why you buy a Spectre?
I don't want. If I die with the vendor.
Bruh, the enemy got money already, right?
No man. Spectre's
If I die with the vendor, it's not like they'll take. What I'm saying is that I cannot get it back for. I cannot just for very long. Cannot buy for very long.
Reloading.
What is it? Yeah.
Flash out.
Only
No, I
one A,
mean-
only one A. Bruh, our Jet is just camping. Like hardcore.
So should I go back
No,
to see?
one is there.
yeah, probably should.
Should I spawn? Kito behind. Never mind, I will kill him.
One is there. One is A long. Oh shit.
One enemy remaining.
A long dead.
Reloading.
Sparky happy. Wait.
There.
Nice.
Kill stolen.
What gun
I
does
need
he
that.
have? Oh heck. No one has a good gun. Jesus.
They all bought. I mean, they all
Can
did
someone
buy.
get this?
I thought the enemy got money one. Yeah, they
So
got money.
They saving buy orbs or something.
No, what the hell? Why did you Dude, okay, look, you only save when you're poor. You don't save to buy an op. Because when you save, right, the enemy team can like take the rounds. So it's not worth it.
You tell them
Unless you're me when I'm peeking.
Oh yeah, okay, fine, like exception. Oh.
Other than that, like I would just choke.
Cover going out.
Okay, not see. Your whole garage, huh?
They're not peeking garage. They're not peeking. I
okay.
don't know why.
Be smoke Kito, be smoke Kito.
No, do not smoke. I think it's A. It's A.
No, there's one at C. There's an operator at C. Operator at C.
I going A. Oh no.
Yeah.
I heard the dash. I
Eh?
heard the dash.
Yeah, how the dash also.
Stay alive. Nice. I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, she hit shot me.
Is she coming?
Garage. One's garage. I'm not sure. She might be.
Spike planted.
What's the HP? 122. Oh
Enemy
boy.
spotted.
Jet take gun. Jet get flash.
Blocking sight.
Where's she going?
I think he's saving.
Oh, wait, no, she's not.
Last player standing.
Opponent.
Yeah, opposite arena started opping.
Yeah.
Did she ever op before?
Look at me.
I
know
feel
that
Reyna
I am
and
by
op is
your
such a weird
side.
combo.
Yeah.
It's not meant to happen.
Yeah.
Reyna is meant to counter op.
Yeah.
Like the whole purpose of Reyna is just to counter op, because you can push and flash at the same time.
Yeah. Oh,
You won't
yes.
flash your teammates.
Wait. Luna, you want aggro C-long? Actually, we should do that. Yeah. Just try.
So I smoke then.
No, that's one. Just flash. Okay, flash.
Stealing.
Oh no.
Nobody.
No, there's one. What? No man. Oh, okay.
So should I pick?
I'm flashing. Okay, pick. Nice. Go back. Go back. Careful, garage.
Oh, in already!
In of B.
Nice. One is there. Nice.
What the fuck? This
Reloading.
garage.
Go.
Hey,
Oh,
window.
Window. Okay.
Window up.
Kito, you stay.
Okay.
I thought window up she's still picking. And then,
One enemy remaining.
Last guy is window.
Last enemy to
Nice.
take the up. Take the up.
AVP. Take AVP.
We got this.
And is she going to? Oh, she actually gave him. Yep, A-long aggro worked. Okay, then this round we don't aggro A-long already. Yeah, they will know. It's too obvious. Plus they got 4 OT opposite. You want to
A
aggro?
alone?
You want to aggro garage? Wait, can he come?
No. They might buy op then.
Do they have money? Yeah,
Yeah, they
got
do.
money.
They do.
Okay.
Get out of my way.
One is there. I hit him a few times. Jet is there.
I'm pushing up A long.
Don't push too much. Just push like a little bit can already. Careful. You want me flash? Location please. Nice, I'm coming.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Oh, that was a nice TP.
What the hell?
Reloading.
Why these guys play Phantom so
Let's
much?
get these idiots.
I don't
Does
know,
someone
cause
get
like
this?
pros buy Phantom
Thank you.
and they think they're
I
pros.
think after the
so-
new patch they... But usually Vandal is like, if you're popping off you'll get a Vandal, right?
Maybe. Okay, so far we push garage, we push long. Yeah, I'm gonna go A long with you.
Okay. Are you picking it?
One needs to come C.
We only like
Jet,
show
come
them to
C.
hit. Show
Jet,
them
come
hit.
C.
Don't
Okay.
full commit. I'm gonna crush with under you.
If they smoke,
Okay, go back.
they smoke C. Yeah.
Kita, maybe you stay A long.
C.
yeah.
C.
Okay. Oh, okay. Time to go.
Yeah.
Are they in yet? Is this a
yeah.
retake?
Yeah,
Not
planting
they.
already.
Oh, cute.
planted.
Oh, I almost got a lift.
What's this Sage doing?
Oh!
Ifan, I saw.
It's my time to allocate.
Enemy kill.
Whoa! Okay. He one dig me.
Flash out.
I will give a nice shot.
One enemy remaining.
Blinding.
This guy one dig me. Hurry up, push
Where?
him to the-
On site.
Nice.
Dead. Go.
Come on.
Dead. There's two outs by the way.
You got it.
Come on. Yeet. Hey, ski.
The Jet that's because he don't trust you.
I mean, you don't really have to trust anybody. That guy is just stupid. I'm gonna push A long again.
Yeah, I go with you. Damn, we sweaty here.
Really, man?
Okay lah,
I'm
maybe not. But it feels like we're sweaty.
I blame my math before.
Oh, iconing. Oh, actually I shouldn't.
No.
Yeah. Are we full picking or what?
No.
It is smoke C. Yeah.
One's there. Coning and then you go back. Come back. You wanna clap A shot?
Okay.
Yeah, clap A shot.
By the way,
They smoke C by the way.
it didn't look like they were committing.
A long 1, A long 2 at least. Cause I heard the breach and the
I'm
other
going
guy.
to the stage. I'm going to the stage.
Nice. I'm holding A shot. It is a really bad angle, but eh.
Is it?
That's spot. Wait, that's C.
Nope.
We're back
Okay,
to
okay.
C.
Go see. I think outside A long all clear.
Okay.
I think.
Dude, this is not even Valorant. It's a different game.
This is CSGO lol.
Come C.
Is it B?
Come C.
I'm dead.
30 seconds left. One spike planted.
Nice.
Yeah, nice, Ifan, that's cool.
Flash out.
Your teammate
Why is this Sage going? Wait. Team is stupid. Wait, teammate take long time to come. Teammate picking long from long. She
Where is he
picking
going?
long.
Where is he going? Now?
She pick long.
So long is clear.
Left.
flanking. Yeah.
She's going. She's pushing.
Last player standing.
Okay. She missed the
Alright.
option.
I mean, obviously.
Uh-oh, this is not a good thing.
Okay.
Defuse the potato.
I will not die here.
Why he... Uh-oh. Is it time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh
he
yeah.
Take off.
Oh, Jesus.
That nearly went very poorly.
Look at the team
If one
game.
Ifan didn't get the
We
double.
fight once again.
Oh,
Okay,
boy, I
wait,
got
you know
9K.
the jet was holding me, right?
Yeah?
And after that, I walked past her, like, I
Wait,
just like,
what?
okay, yeah, you got it. Like we're going C what? And then there was
Oh.
a guy there was Niba at B main right in front of her. And I was like, seriously, what the hell? These kind of people hold like never hold anything. Sia.
Wait, they're buying this round. Confirm. Yep. Oh, no one's holding
So
it.
why don't you pick C long? Oh wow.
I going A.
Yeah.
They got 3 LD by the way. So... Where?
Garage outside. This our jet is gonna pick it.
The hunt begins.
Yeah, they're gonna shoot on the wall, aren't they?
Wait, is that B
C
or...
long there's
The
an
guy gave
offer.
up
Is it
garage.
B or
The guy gave
garage?
up garage. The guy gave up garage.
I go in spike, spike.
How did I not kill the person?
Blinding.
Does that not count?
Nice, Lucas. Okay, the other side. Where's the bomb? It's here?
Yeah, where's the bomb? Huh?
I think it's... Wait... Oh yeah. It's on me.
I hear garage.
Hey, just rotate room. Just rotate bomb.
I hear garage.
Cussing.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Garage,
Location?
garage.
Garage.
Oh, okay.
Sage watching from heaven.
From heaven as in what? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Stand tall.
I can drop.
We are Valorant.
Anyone need? Wait, Lucas, you need.
Thanks.
Oh boy, hey, our Sage is the MVP last round. He just killed the bomb. Yeah.
Reloading.
Wait,
This
how
is-
was just now? I was damn close to the Reyna. Yeah, I just
At one.
move and shoot at the same time. I didn't get a hit shot. I mean, I didn't get. I only hit her twice in her legs. What? Wait.
Where? Garage?
Sage pushing out of garage.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Damn.
Flash out.
A long 2. A long 2.
Nice
Wait,
try.
I did smoke bomb. Oh shit. That was
One
too far.
enemy remaining.
Yeah, didn't smoke properly.
Where is it? Where's the last one? Nice. Oh no,
This
Look
guy
at my
buys Spectre every round.
I will take
Hey, come back.
mine.
that's how the silvers play.
11. Let's go.
No, I think we gotta push out.
Okay, where you want to push?
Like just now that Jet just peeked out Grush and got 2. And it's not like she had some like amazing gunplay.
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
picking A long.
Yeah, same, okay.
Wait.
Wait, actually, you know what? Maybe I'll go A shot. So we can like clap together. Yeah, like you pick out and then they might, like lose focus and then I just pick out A shot.
Get out of my way.
Nobody.
You picking?
Yeah, I'm already there. I'm already holding it.
Actually,
time to go.
you know what? You can. Oh, okay, never mind.
No. The B is completely empty.
Yeah. Hey, careful, that one.
Garage, huh?
Yeah, B. It's 5 BUG.
What the hell are you killed?
Too late. Let's go.
Last player standing.
Location, please.
Garage.
One's garage, one's our spawn. You kill the guy spawn, right? Yeah.
Spike planted.
Kill. Oh.
Blinding.
One enemy remaining.
Three out.
I guess he's low.
Cussing.
Nice, fun. Nice.
Oh.
Clutch.
Thanks for not listening.
Yeah, because I know Rina is there, so he can't go from he can't go here because if he go there, it'll be like elephant footstep.
Oh
Yeah.
Ifan, you got 4K.
Did I?
Point.
Oh,
Heck.
I can drop.
I'm feeling generous. Who needs a buy?
I'm good.
Everyone's good.
Alright, that's good. Alright.
Imagine being able to buy ultis. Making the Genie coefficient big.
Oh yes.
Like those people who do them well, right? Like the teams who do them well, when they win, they'll win.
Wait, you
by
want
a lot.
try push? Actually, we shouldn't push, right? Wait, do we push? Like match point, do we push?
We don't.
They can't. They don't have op. They don't have op.
Yeah, well,
Oh no, I don't need to.
one is there. Oh fuck. Clap him.
Still in sight.
Nice.
Reloading.
Flashing.
Lord, the boys are out.
Oh my god,
Lord, the fucking goons pulled up.
this is the sickest thing ever.
Go away.
Wait, let go.
What the fuck is that?
What the f?
Hey, outside window. Keep to outside window. You going the other way?
Okay, I'm going the other way.
One enemy remaining.
LOL.
Nice.
Reloading.
We just need the greatest push and
Wait, where?
got a spike, we got a spike, we got a spike.
Oh, you got spike? Okay.
Reloading.
KC.
We got spike, lol.
KC.
Reloading.
Let's go ulti
Off
though.
your feet!
Yep,
Off,
here we go.
How now?
I did the thing also.
Flash.
Oh, nice.
This
Defenders
is the
GG.
best round ever.
And I have recorded it, so thank you. I mean, welcome.
Yes, okay, yes.
Dude, maybe that's
I
what we
wanna
should
watch
do
it
for
if
like.
I-
Yeah,
romance. Just like-
yeah.
It's called the rape train.
If I played it.
Yeah, okay. I gonna upload it too.
I think it looks better on Ifan's side because he was behind us.
Yeah,
Just
maybe.
The core concepts of rape train.
No, like,
It
Okay,
stops
so the
for
first
no
one-
man.
who was the first one with Flash, ah?